Did you know that 90% of people who try to build wealth actually fail? Sounds pretty crazy, right? They work hard, save money, maybe even invest a little, but they never seem to get ahead. What if I told you the reason they're stuck isn't what you think? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the real secret to building wealth, and it's something most people get wrong. Stick with me because I'm about to show you how to break the mold and build real, lasting wealth. Now, let's get straight to the point. The first mistake 90% of people make is they focus too much on saving. Yeah, you heard me. Saving is important, but it's not enough. If you save $500 a month but don't have a strategy for growing that money, you're just treading water. Inflation alone is eating away at your savings every year. And don't even get me started on how low interest rates are these days. You might be earning 0.01% on your savings account, but inflation's running at 3%. That means your money's actually shrinking while you sleep. But here's the kicker. Wealth isn't about saving, it's about investing. More specifically, it's about growing your money in ways that outpace inflation and generate wealth over time. Let's break it down. Take Sarah, for example. Sarah's been putting $500 a month into a regular savings account for 5 years. At the end of those 5 years, she saved $30,000, but she hasn't earned much on it. The numbers don't lie. She's stuck at $30. Now, let's say she had invested that same $500 a month into a diversified portfolio with a conservative 7% average annual return. After 5 years, Sarah would have over $35,000 in her account. That's $5,000 she didn't have, just by changing where her money was going. The second big mistake? People aren't paying attention to the power of compound interest. Compound interest is like money's secret weapon. It's how your investments earn money on top of the money they already earned. It's the snowball effect in real life. But here's the thing. Compound interest works best when you start early, and most people wait too long. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about risk. I know. Risk is a scary word, but here's the truth. Staying in cash is a risk. Yeah, that's right. If you're not willing to take any risk at all, you're actually losing money over time. Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." If you let fear keep you from investing, you're doing exactly what he's warning against. But investing doesn't mean you have to throw all your money into risky stocks or gamble on the latest hot trend. Wealth building is all about managing risk and getting into the market in a way that works for you. That's why I'm always preaching the importance of diversification. A mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets is the key to balancing risk while maximizing returns. The beauty of diversification is that it helps smooth out the bumps along the way. The market's going to fluctuate. That's just how it works. But with a well-diversified portfolio, you're spreading that risk around and giving yourself a much better shot at consistent, long-term growth. And here's the thing that trips most people up. Taxes. Taxes can eat into your wealth faster than almost anything else. But did you know that there are legal ways to minimize your tax burden? It's true. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and health savings accounts, HSAs, can be powerful tools in your wealth-building strategy. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-deferred or even tax-free, which means you get to keep more of what you earn. Liam, for instance, used his 401k to save for retirement, and because his contributions were pre-tax, he lowered his taxable income for the year. Over time, that tax benefit, combined with the growth of his investments, added up to a hefty nest egg. You don't have to be a tax expert to take advantage of these opportunities. Just make sure you're contributing to these accounts when you can. And if your employer offers a 401k match, don't leave that free money on the table. But here's the real game changer. It's not just about the money you're putting in, it's about the habits you develop. Building wealth requires consistency and discipline. Think about it. If you just invested a small amount every month, starting today, for the next 20 years, your wealth would compound in ways you can't even imagine. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. Take Noah, who started investing at 25. He didn't have a ton of money to put in at first, maybe $200 a month, but by consistently investing that money and allowing it to grow over the next 30 years, Noah's portfolio is worth over $700,000 today. It wasn't magic, it wasn't luck. It was time, consistency, and smart choices. And here's the final piece of the puzzle. You have to keep learning. Wealth isn't a destination, it's a journey. The most successful people, whether they're entrepreneurs, investors, or just everyday folks, are lifelong learners. They stay informed, they read, they adapt to new opportunities. The more you know, the more equipped you'll be to make the right decisions when it counts. So what's the secret to building wealth? It's simple. Invest early, invest consistently, manage your risk, minimize your taxes, and keep learning. That's it. No magic tricks, no shortcuts, just smart decisions over time. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest mistake you think people make when trying to build wealth? Drop it in the comments below. I'm curious to know what you think. And if you want more wealth building tips, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you found this helpful, you'll love what's coming next. Don't miss out. Click the video on screen now.